So I woke up this morning with a really loud noise on my phone. It overrides, I think this emergency alert overrides all sound on your phone and makes it really, really loud. And so it came in Japanese. I had no idea what it was. And then this loudspeaker was playing all throughout the city. And this is the second round. It's one at 7 o'clock in the morning. This one's 7:07. And I translate it with my phone translator. It's a find shelter in a basement. North Korea just launched a missile. Crazy. Stupid. I guess so. It's funny, I'm in this beautiful city.